Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing really well. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I want to share with you my guest design team project for the month of September for Marchena Design. She sent me a beautiful September inspirational kit, and I will post the link to that video in the description box below of me unboxing that beautiful kit. I will post the link to Nadezhda's YouTube channel as well as her Instagram account in the description box below as well. So if you want to purchase one of these beautiful kits yourself, you can send her a DM or a private message. Nadezhda included a lot of beautiful laces and trims in her kit, and I really wanted to use them on a project. I'm not really good with laces and fabrics, so I stepped a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I really wanted to create something like a home decor piece. So I altered this wreath, and there are only 2 items, maybe 3, that I use from my own stash, and everything else is from the kit. So let me give you an overview first. I created like a tassel, and then I have some handmade flowers, and on top there's a bow with another handmade flower, and I used the beautiful laces and trims to create like a hanger. So let me get a little bit closer. I'm sorry for the shakiness. These kind of projects are really hard to film properly. So I started with this bow, and I used a beautiful white peachy pink lace from Nadezhda's kit, and I also used this beautiful lace. I gathered it and I created this flower. These rolled roses were also included in the kit, and then I used 2 kind of laces to create this hanger. I absolutely love the colors. The lace that is wrapped around the wreath is a gift from Gisela. It has been quite some years that she sent me a package of Happy Mail, and I always kept the laces and trims that she sent me, and I really liked including this gift in this project. And here I have some handmade flowers. These are some crochet hearts that I made myself. I thought the colors matched really nicely, so I wanted to include them as well. And these small flat back pearls are also from my own stash, but everything else is from the kit. So I used a wider lace to create this bigger flower, and on top of it I used some more lace to create the flower. This applique is also from Nadezhda's kit, as well as this rolled rose, and underneath this flower I have another flower, and I created that one out of some beautiful crochet lace that she included as well. So here is my cluster of 3 flowers, and then I created a tassel. I also used the trim that she packaged the laces with, and I created a little bow out of it. Here is some more beautiful small trim from the kit, and this really nice fiber trim, and this is one of my favorite laces from the kit. I absolutely love this color and the size. And here's another piece of lace from the kit. So this one, it's really nice because it curls like this. I didn't do anything to it, but I really love this trim as well. And yeah, so I wanted to create a tassel, but not too heavy, because I want to hang this piece in my house, in my craft room. And I really enjoyed creating this project, altering this wreath. And I think I need to work more with laces and trims. I really enjoyed creating these flowers as well. So yeah, this is my project. I really hope you like it. And thank you so much for inviting me to be a guest designer of the month for the month of September, Nadezhda. I really had a lot of fun creating with all the beautiful goodies that you included in the kit. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope you are all having a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.